What's up, you guys? We are here in DesignedVR main headquarters here in Hallandale Beach, Florida. You may have heard about our high-end luxury houses and hotels management, but here are a few things you may not know about us. We also have an in-house brokerage company, tech-enabled company that create a dedicated app, construction team, cleaning team, 24/7 security, communication team, and interior design team, all working side by side to make this dream house a reality. By going to Airbnb website and simply searching available houses in cities such as Hollywood, Fort Lauderdale, etc., you will see our listing appear on the top search bar, since our highly rated houses averaging 4.8 stars. Other than our South Florida team, we are also spread around the US, Canada, Israel, and the Philippines. Now, for the first time, DesignedVR is open to managing your house or hotel and creating a 5-star experience while maximizing the full potential of your property. Thank you for considering us to be your next level vacation management company, and see you in the next video.